Hey everybody, it's Kathy Q with a Google Minute. This week I would like to show you how to stop those annoying notification pop-ups that you get when you visit certain websites, and also how to mute the videos that pop up, those ad videos that start automatically when you go to certain websites. So I'm going to go to this website here, and you can see that this article is about how to stop these notifications and autoplay videos. And I think it's pretty ironic that we're going to use this one as an example. So once this video loads, I'm going to show you how to mute it. So you can go up here and just click on the mute just to mute it for today, or if you want to always mute it, just right click or two-finger click on your keypad and go to mute site. Now if you want to undo that at any time because you want to hear that annoying ad, you can unmute that in the same way. So just go in there and unmute, and I'll leave it that way. Now this notification, I'm going to show you how to stop that. So the first thing I'm going to do is go to your Chrome settings, so your menu to settings, and we're going to go down to advanced, and under privacy and security we're going to look for content settings, and for notifications right here we want to just shut them off, just so they don't pop up anymore. So let's go see if that works. Go back here. I'm going to click on a different website, and this one usually has a pop-up and it did not come up. So let's try going back to CNET. So I'll X that one out and go back here and click on CNET, and the video is still muted and that pop-up did not come up. So success. So if you have any questions, just send me an email and I will get back to you. Until next time, thanks for watching.